right, we're back over here at the, what is it, 96 F250? The 460. Got a yellow top now. What else have you done since we cleaned it up?
Fixed the exhaust leak. It was pretty bad. Went back through everything I had kind of just thrown parts at. Ended up just being the distributor was bad. So we went ahead and kept the new coil in there, put the original ignition control module back in the truck. Because for some reason there's difference between like gray, black, and then like who made it. So I just went back with the original one to keep from any problems. Gave it some more timing. It still needs a little bit more.
You haven't used the timing light yet?
I haven't used timing light. This is all about ear.
That's funny. Runs fine.
Finished cleaning it up. Had to replace the red top with the yellow top because my red top kept going dead, and took it back to advanced and they said it was bad. So
yeah, it
upgraded.
Was sitting on the shelf because nobody balls out and buys Optima batteries. It seems like it just was sitting there for a long time.
I was talking to a guy, he said he had an Optima battery that lasted 13 years.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. Yeah, when you told me you're having issues with it, I was like, dude, that thing's a lemon. You got to get another battery for sure. Nice.
Fixed a bunch of vacuum leaks. A couple more electrical issues I found.
Looks so much better.
It's so much cleaner.
What all did you have to do to get the interior cleaned up? I saw that looked a lot better too.
Let's see. For the interior,
Door's still
broken, so it just kind of picked up. I pulled the entire matting out. I pulled the seat out.
The old vinyl floors, man, can't go wrong with that.
It was rust free, so I just scrubbed everything with some soap and water. Got everything cleaned up, dried off.
I would sit in here. Megan might even sit in here.
The seat I scrubbed with bleach.
Yeah, wow.
Because it was disgusting. And then I put a new seat cover on it.
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say it looks nice.
Cheapest they had.
Yeah, that's one I had on my 68 for a little while. That's perfect. That's what you need.
Dash, I was hoping to put back in it, but it is completely just crumbled.
Yeah.
And there was no gluing it back together.
Yeah.
The radio still doesn't work. Got to figure out what's up with that. But everything else seems to run fine. I've only taken it on one test drive.
Nice.
And it seemed to do pretty good, so.
Well, I guess we'll take her for a test drive and see if you fixed it all or if we need to keep messing with it.
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, exactly. Kick the tires and light the fires. Got a little squeaky belt, but should be all right. Yeah, this
one's not closing.
Hang on, I think your latch might not be disengaged properly. It sounds like your door's already closed with things.
I'm gonna close it from the outside and call it from the back.
Okay. Well, yeah, I guess it is just that hard. Well, I'm getting out.
It needs a new hinge.
Hey, perfect daily driver, okay? I feel bad getting your sick vinyl floors dirty after you cleaned them. And then this one, oh yeah, that's butter right there.
Your window actually rolls down.
Yeah, we might do that. It doesn't stink in here.
No.
The AC still work?
Yes.
Oh, that's the AC belt squealing in there. Compressor. But it's just because you sprayed and cleaned everything, I'm guessing, right?
I'm hoping so. It eventually just stops. It's like the alternator, I think, is going bad because it'll put like 10, 12 volts out and then it just jumps up to like 14 and then it quits squeaking.
Well, it's probably slipping on the pulley. Could be. It smells like bleach in here.
Better than mouse turd.
Well, the squealing goes away when you turn off the AC, so we don't need that anyway.
Nice and cool day.
We just got her up to 70, and let me roll you up here. And I took a picture instead of a video, so here we are. A couple miles down the road, she's still going strong. Shifted pretty firm, but it stops. And we still got no oil pressure, but I'm pretty confident it has oil pressure. We can take the fill cap off and see oil squirting around in there, but it just doesn't register, so we got to change. What is it, the oil pressure sensor?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the rat got behind the engine and chewed all the wiring. I got to pull a bunch of stuff off to get to it, and I just haven't had time this week.
Yeah. It's got a nice whistle kit on it. This is a nice truck for what we paid for it. Testing out the cruise control.
No, it definitely doesn't.
Doesn't work.
Nope. Oh well, you get what you pay for.
You get what you pay for. That's exactly right. What's that switch that's dangling over there?
That is my fuel select switch.
Oh, you got 2 tanks on this thing?
I was told, do not switch it to the front, it will not crank back up. So I'm going to keep it in the rear.
Yep, nice firm shift. This thing is speed racer.
Just lost a quarter tank.
You think so? Did it really?
It was full when we left.
Oh my gosh. Probably just straight dumping. Well, at least you know the gauge works. It's going in the right direction.
Yep.
This thing is a Haas.
Drives really nice.
Yeah, this is great.
It's been parked for 3.5 years.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Nobody touched it to running and driving in a week. Super excited.
Probably can't hear nothing but this freaking whistling. Let me try to fix that.
Your door closed all the way?
Probably not. No, it was a wing window. There we go. Wing windows, man, you gotta have those. So nice. We just spotted this burned down truck over here. I don't know what happened there. He's in the middle of a field on fire. I don't know if it wrecked or what.
Is there a 4-wheeler in the back?
That's a lawnmower, I think. That's crazy. It's so random. That wasn't there before. Got the AC back on and revving it up some. It's not squealing anymore. I think it just was wet from him cleaning it. But she's made it probably a good 15-minute drive already.
Yeah. Hoping it continues to drive because I'm going to drive it every day now.
Yeah, I think he's going to keep driving this while he works on his Bronco, and then once the Bronco's done, he can sell it. This thing's too nice to take the motor out of, I think.
I think I should just rip the motor out, put it in the Bronco.
I know you want to. I mean, it's a 460 versus a 351, but... Or you could have 2, vehicles right now instead of no vehicles, I guess, if you start tearing it into this thing.
But 400 foot-pounds of torque. Sounds really nice.
Yeah, it does. Well, I guess you could swap the motor and then still sell the 351 in this. You could sell this to somebody, or at least keep driving it.
Yeah.
But, I don't know.
We'll see.
This thing has more miles on it, though. What would y'all rather have, a 300,000 mile 460 big block, or how many miles does the 351 have?
It was brand new about 3 years ago, so about 10,000 miles.
10,000 mile 351. Oh, we got a little vibration here and there.
It's gone.
And it's gone, yep. Also, tires need to be balanced, but we haven't even put air in them, so what can you do? This is nice pulling up, seeing the Broncos hanging out. No balls. She won't do it. There's a little something. It's so beautiful. It's so cheap and beautiful. I love it.
I think that's all she's got.
Yeah, that was impressive.
We just balanced the tires.
Yes, now we got rid of that hop in the tires. We got them all, rotated and smoothed out. She's good to go now. Another 300,000 miles. Headed to work in the stripped down Bronco. Hopefully gonna drop it off afterwards, but you can see I got the mirrors off, door handles, Bronco badge, all that fun stuff. Check out my door handle. Got a zip tie holding it in place. And I just push down on it. It's pretty funny. Yeah, everything out.